Acquisitions news. Air Partners announces acquisition of Helpware, a global B2B digital engagement, experience and support platform. Silverstone Energy Partners announces $14 million project equity financing for Ocean Oil's acquisition and development of Permian Basin properties. BorgWarner to buy EV charging business of China-based Hubei SSE. BorgWarner to acquire charging business of Hubei Surpass Sun Electric SSE. Rocket Pharmaceuticals to acquire Renovaker, extending leadership in AAV-based cardiac gene therapy. B2Gold completes acquisition of Oklo Resources Limited and its extensive land package near the Fekola mine. Total Energies Shea. Disclosure of transactions in own shares. Judge rejects antitrust challenge to United Health acquisition. No B4 pops 30% on Vista Equity Partners buyout offer. Board of Directors of BlueRock Residential Growth REIT, Inc. approves the completion of the proposed spin-off of its single-family rental business to shareholders. Completion of spin-off and acquisition of BlueRock Residential Growth REIT by affiliates of Blackstone Real Estate expected on October 6, 2022. Strategic buyouts aid ABM Industries, ABM, debt load AILS. Bullish news. StrikePoint signs definitive agreement to sell Yukon properties to Snowline Gold. Perk International, PRKI, signs letter of intent with luxury skincare line. Amazon-backed firm to help power its trucking fleet with electrofuels. Vext Science announces filing of provisional patent application. Change Healthcare stock surges after United Health merger challenge blocked. Leading North American composable commerce specialist MyPlanet renames to Orium. Mahalo Banking partners with United One Credit Union to provide omni-channel member experience. With Ethereum's merge now complete, another huge network upgrade is coming in 2023. XRP, Ether lead recovery in crypto majors as markets prepare for outsized Fed hike. Currys collaborates with Mindtree to deliver a connected omnichannel customer experience. Momentus completes vibration testing of Vigoride orbital service vehicle. DocGo continues growth track in UK with 3 new contracts. Invitae's real-world citizen data utilized in Praxis Precision Medicine's PRAX 222 IND filing. Verdi and Clear partner for frictionless hotel check-in. Chetu's software delivery model receives 12th consecutive AICPA accreditation. Mahler's functionally charged proteins clean up labels in meat alternatives. Alterity Therapeutics receives US FDA approval for investigational new drug application for ATH-434 for the treatment of multiple system atrophy. Scarface Token is helping donate funds to NGOs working for animals. Insane Impact reshapes LED screen trailer and video wall industry with emissions-free LED solutions. IBI Group to expand its work with the Florida Department of Transportation and the Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission. Curo Group Holdings Corp. NYSE. Curo. Insiders have significant skin in the game with 47% ownership. Chatter's Hair Salon opens new and refreshed locations across Ontario, Alberta and British Columbia. Zips Car Wash announces University of North Carolina multi-year athletics sponsorship with LEARFIELD. The Charles Schwab Corporation. NYSE. SCHW. Insiders sold $175 million worth of stock, suggesting impending weakness. Possible bearish signals as the Progressive Corporation (NYSE) PGR insiders disposed of $1.7 million worth of stock. Alnylam receives approval in Europe for AMVUTTRA vutrisiran for the treatment of hereditary transthyretin-mediated HATTR amyloidosis in adult patients with stage 1 or stage 2 polyneuropathy. Mission Produce continues international expansion. Announces plans to open United Kingdom distribution center in 2023. Garmin adds 8 marine companies to its One Helm roster. GXO leaders honored for championing women in the supply chain industry. Lithia and Driveway LAD expands in North Central region. Completes second Driveway Finance ABS offering. And debuts new Driveway technology. Peloton releases Peloton Row and new features on Peloton Guide. Exos and ShipX announce partnership to accelerate the adoption of battery electric vehicles. Yext receives multiple industry awards for excellence in knowledge management. Elon Musk proposes Starlink access in Iran as protests spread. BXP expands life sciences portfolio in Kendall Square in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Merck to initiate new Phase 3 clinical program with lower dose of daily oral islatravir in combination with doravirine for treatment of people with HIV-1 infection. Stantec awarded $16 million feasibility study for Resolution Copper. UPS Union reached tentative agreement to extend contract. Fisker and Wallbox partner globally for home EV charging solutions. Coherent wins ECOC 2022 award for optical integration with 400G ZR plus QSFP DDCO transceiver. Ouster streamlines cost structure to bolster path to profitability. Trimble sets new standard for robotic total station scalability. MD Anderson Cancer Center selects ViewRay to expand MR guided radiation therapy program. Wabtec and Kazakhstan Temir Joly sign $600 million Memorandum of Understanding for FLX Drive TM. Battery electric shunters and Next Fuel TM liquid natural gas-powered locomotives. Infosys collaborates with Telenor Norway to accelerate IT modernization. Change Healthcare stock surges as Judge OK's $8 billion United Health takeover. 1AbbVie Inc. NYSE. ABBV. Insider reduced their stake by 86% in the previous year. PayPal Holdings, Inc. Nasdaq. PYPL. Insiders placed bullish bets worth $6.4 million in the last 12 months. Baseload intersects best drill hole to date with 0.90% U308 over 31.0 meters starting at 69.3 meters. True vertical depth. Comcast successfully tests final component needed to deliver 10G-powered multi-gigabit symmetrical speeds to entire network. Cummins QSK95 engine proven fully compatible with renewable diesel. Maxar awarded GEGD contract renewal to provide mission-ready satellite imagery for U.S. government. Insulet announces CE mark approval for Omnipod 5 automated insulin delivery system. Claire's expands partnership with Walmart. Spirit Evergreen Aftermarket Solutions joint venture ready to serve Asia-Pacific aftermarket customers. Hilton and Voyager Space to design crew lodging and hospitality suites aboard Starlab. Swiss activists drop campaign against F-35 fighter deal. Apple hikes App Store prices in Europe and Asia as dollar soars. Stellantis invests in Italian industrial footprint transformation to develop sustainable activity. Stellantis invests in Turin as part of switch to electric. Clover's COVID-19 vaccine candidate receives European Union GMP certificate. Update to Apple helps Taiwan export orders resume growth in August, outlook mixed. Hamax HX83121A tablet TDDI adoption expanded by Xiaomi for their latest premium tablet and 2-in-1 laptop. Parker Aerospace engine-driven pump selected by Boeing to power the B-52H Stratofortress hydraulic system for decades. Exclusive PepsiCo ends Pepsi, 7 UP production in Russia months after promising halt over Ukraine. Logitech introduces the MX Master 3S for Business and MX Keys Combo for Business Gen 2. LyondellBasell named to the FTSE4Good Index. Update 1 KKR, Hero to invest $450 MLN in Hero's renewable energy arm. Update 2 Uganda declares Ebola outbreak after Sudan strain found. Global markets Asia shares gain ground, hefty Fed rate hike seen priced in. KKR invests in Hero Future Energies in $450 million transaction. KKR invests in Hero Future Energies in $450 million transaction. Just. Evotec Biologics awarded contract from the U.S. Department of Defense under Accelerated Antibodies Program. U.S. refiners eye Canadian oil once strategic reserve turns off taps. Manpower Group Talent Solutions TAPFIN recognized as a global leader in MSP and star performer in SOW by Everest Group. Wagner Corporation collaborates with Virgin Orbit to bring national air launch capability to Australia. Cathie Wood's fund snaps up General Motors shares for first time since May. China's August coal imports from Russia, Indonesia soar as heatwave spurs power use. IAS integrates GoodLoop's green media technology to offer carbon emissions measurement for digital advertisers. Kyndryl introduces new platform, Kyndryl Bridge, to orchestrate IT estates and drive business growth. Global markets Asia shares track late Wall Street rebound with focus firmly on Fed. China EV maker Leapmotor seeks up to $1 billion in HK IPO. Correcting and replacing a next generation of Smartsheet aligned. Introducing enhanced channel program focused on rewarding partners for deeper platform investments. Marriott coaxing workers back to office with $600 million building. Seattle real estate lender issues first mezzanine loan for large Issaquah property. Clover's universal COVID-19 booster vaccine candidate demonstrates superior neutralization of Omicron BA.5 compared to inactivated vaccine. Hamilton Lane expands footprint across Southeast Asia. Y Republic Services, RSG, gained 16.3% in the past year. Vessel shortage makes soaring shipping costs a new energy threat. Bearish news. SPAC King, Chamath Palihapitiya shuttering 2 SPACs after failing to find deals. Morgan Stanley agrees to pay fine for failing to protect personal identifying info. Stock market news live updates. Stock futures stumble as Fed meeting gets underway. POSaBIT enters Illinois market, continues streak of record payment revenue months. Tencent denies report it will sell down Didi, Meituan stakes. Morgan Stanley to pay $35 million to settle SEC charges it mishandled customer data. Morgan Stanley to pay $35 million to settle SEC charges it mishandled customer data. Qualcomm-backed drone maker weighs $125 million. India IPO, sources say. Analog Devices, Inc.'s Nasdaq RD market cap declines to $77 billion United States dollars, but insiders who sold $3.2 million United States dollars stock were able to hedge their losses. Smile Direct Club CFO cuts costs as demand for teeth straighteners falls. Oil creeps higher ahead of looming central bank rate hikes. Gold declines to near two-year low with focus on Fed's rate hike. India's Win Zeddo sues Google to stop new gaming policy, calls it discriminatory. Here's why Barron Funds disposed its Vornado Realty Trust (VNO) stake. Ford stock drops more than 4% as supply costs to jump by $1 billion. Parts shortages to leave more cars unfinished. Tycoon's wild $3 billion gamble on China's LVMH crashes. Cancer victims urge court to end J&J bankruptcy roadblock to lawsuits. Beyond Meat executive arrested for biting someone's nose. Nikola CEO says he learned debut truck lacked power after he joined. Beyond Meat coup arrested for biting man's nose after college football game. Uber breach stemmed from contractor. Lapsus dollar hackers suspected. Financing news. Morgan Stanley pays $35 million fine over data security. Flyscan Systems announces pre-Series A strategic financing round with Hatch, BDC Capital and Enbridge. Morgan Stanley paying $35 million to settle claims of failing to protect customer records. Kyndryl Holdings, Inc. announces extension of expiration date for exchange offers. Bachoco ad hoc committee publishes fairness opinion and communicates position regarding price of potential voluntary tender offer for Bachoco shares. Earnings news. India Quick Commerce Market Outlook Report 2022 to 2027 with comparisons of e-grocery and quick commerce platform. AT&T stock. Is it a buy after recent earnings sell-off? Here's what charts show. Reminder: Rocket Lab to host Investor Day and Neutron Update in New York City on September 21, 2022. Global Software as a Service (SaaS). Market Technologies and Markets Report 2022. Market revenue for 2021. Estimates for 2022, 2023 and 2025. And CAGRs through 2027. Pebblebrick Hotel Trust provides operating update. Productivity Management Software Global Market Report 2022, featuring Google, Microsoft, Salesforce, IBM, Slack and more. NextEra Energy, Inc.'s NYSE, NAY, price in tune with earnings. Iron Mountain hosts 2022 investor event. The 5-year decline in earnings might be taking its toll on CSG Systems International. Nasdaq, CSGS, shareholders as stock falls 4.6% over the past week. Apogee Enterprises reports record fiscal 2023 second quarter results. Ford stock slides after cautioning on supply chain hit to Q3 earnings. Ericsson publishes restated segment financials, pulling back 4.1% this week. Intercontinental Hotels Group's LON, IHG, 5-year decline in earnings may be coming into investors' focus. Marriott International poised to expand Asia-Pacific luxury hotel portfolio with 14 expected additional properties by end of 2023. Edited transcript of KMD NZ earnings conference call or presentation the 22nd of September 1910 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Pembina Pipeline Corporation announces conversion results for Series 15 preferred shares. Vulcan Materials to webcast Investor Day 2022. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.